Good morning viewers, first update to Negase. First update here. Nagaland cabinet put on hold regularization of 147 assistant professor and librarian. So Nagaland cabinet khan to hold te kiba korna ase. KG Kenyan Temjin Imna along after an emergency cabinet meeting in Kohima on Monday. AIM protest the Nagaland cabinet on Monday decided to keep the regularization of 147 assistant professors and the librarian in Evidence. A 5-member committee led by Agriculture Production Commissioner Wezep Okenia has been formed to look into the matter, and the panel has been given 2-month time to submit its report. Minister for Higher Education and Tourism Temjin Imna Along told this to media person after the emergency cabinet meeting held at Chief Minister Residential Complex in Kohima. After noting that agitation by stakeholders, the cabinet deliberated on the observation issue at length and had decided to keep the observation regularization in abeyance. He said that added the proper deliberation will be done after with all the stakeholders. So update to enega ase first update ase etu Nagaland cabinet thakise aru dhan meeting te enega Kohima te kiba korise 147 assistant professor lobota kotha korise dakhan aru etu case to anite hold te rakhina ase আৰু ফাৰ্দাৰ টান কিবা কৰি আছে ইনকুৱাৰি কৰি আছে ইটো ফাৰ্স্ট মই আপোনাক জনাই দি আছে সেকেন্ড আপডেট টো এনেকা আছে জেলিয়াং ৰং ইউথ অৰ্গানাইজেশ্যন খান কন্ডেম কৰি আছে টু ডিলে মাৰ্ডাৰ মব লা কেছ লপতে the Zeliang Rong Youth Organization Nagaland on Monday met with the Commissioner of Police Dimapur Kevitito Sophia at the latter's office in Dimapur seeking an update on the ongoing investigation into the murder of 35-year-old from Maikham village in Paran district on April 7. Speaking to media person after the meeting, Joint President R. John Zeliang expressed disappointment that there was no outcome till date. While expressing their understanding toward the nature of the case, which takes time, he came down heavily on the state government for lacking facilities and prolonging cases. According to the organization leader, it was time for government to deliver modern facilities for crime investigation. He reminded that every time such unfortunate incident occur in the state, the police have to rush to the other state for forensic assistance. So, itu ko ase ami khan la Zeliang Rong la president type rana ko ala sabte ami khan la police department khan te alag alag machinery khan to nai important machinery khan to forensic department lai to ki holi bi ala state te jabo lage ko ase enega ase আৰু এটো বি এমার্জেন্সি সিচুয়েশন তে নাপায় হয় মহালা নাগালেণ্ড স্টেট বি দু খান ইকুইপমেন্ট খান থাকিব লাগে মেশিনারি খান থাকিব লাগে আৰু কি ফিঙ্গারপ্রিন্ট স্ক্যানার খান অলবি এটো এভিডেন্স কালেক্ট কৰিবলৈ আলাদা আলাদা কিছু থাকিব লাগে